We humans are explorers at heart. We have always looked to the horizon, seeking new frontiers and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Today, that horizon lies beyond Earth, on the enigmatic surface of Mars. The red planet beckons us with the promise of adventure, discovery, and the opportunity to secure the future of our species. Colonizing Mars is not just a science fiction fantasy, it's a necessity. Our planet, for all its beauty and wonder, is finite. We face challenges like climate change, resource depletion, and the ever-present threat of asteroid impacts. Establishing a self-sustaining presence on Mars provides a crucial backup plan for humanity. It ensures our survival should disaster strike Earth. Think of it as cosmic insurance, a safety net for our species. By studying its geology, atmosphere, and potential for life, we can unlock secrets about the formation of our solar system and the origins of life itself. Building a new home on a new planet will require us to develop groundbreaking technologies and push the limits of human ingenuity. The challenges are daunting, but the rewards are immeasurable. Getting to Mars is no small feat. It's a 6-month journey at best across millions of miles of space. But hey, humans have faced daunting journeys before. We crossed oceans to discover new continents and ventured into the unknown depths of space. The journey to Mars is simply the next logical step in our exploration. Currently, we're developing powerful rockets and spacecraft designed specifically for interplanetary travel. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are leading the charge, with reusable rockets that significantly reduce the cost of spaceflight. Imagine hopping on a spaceship with the same ease as boarding an airplane, but it's not just about getting there, it's about staying there. We need to develop technologies that allow us to live and thrive on Mars. One exciting possibility is using 3D printing technology to construct habitats from Martian regolith, the loose rock and dust found on the planet's surface. The first humans on Mars will be pioneers in the truest sense of the word. They'll be tasked with establishing a foothold for humanity on a new planet. It's a daunting but exhilarating prospect, filled with challenges and opportunities in equal measure. Imagine stepping out of your spacecraft and onto the rusty red soil of Mars. The thin atmosphere makes the sky a pale pink, and the low gravity makes you feel lighter than you've ever felt before. The initial focus will be on survival. Setting up inflatable habitats, deploying solar panels for energy, and extracting water ice from the Martian soil will be top priorities. These early settlements will be small and self-sufficient, relying on advanced life support systems to recycle air, water, and waste. Imagine the thrill of driving a rover across the Martian plains, searching for signs of ancient life or uncovering geological wonders. To truly thrive on Mars, we need to become more than just visitors. We need to become Martian farmers, cultivating the land and producing our own food. Thankfully, the red planet offers some intriguing possibilities for agriculture. While the Martian soil lacks essential nutrients found on Earth, we can enrich it using techniques like hydroponics and aeroponics. These methods involve growing plants in water or air, respectively, with added nutrients. Imagine vertical farms bathed in the soft glow of LED lights, producing fresh fruits and vegetables for Martian colonists. Water is another crucial resource for agriculture. Luckily, Mars has plenty of water ice locked beneath its surface. We can extract this ice and purify it for drinking, irrigation, and other essential uses. With a little ingenuity, we can transform the arid Martian landscape into fertile ground for life. Life on Mars requires energy, and lots of it. From powering our habitats to running our life support systems, we need reliable and sustainable energy sources to fuel our Martian colony. Solar power is an obvious choice. Mars receives ample sunlight, even more than Earth in some regions. Vast arrays of solar panels can harness this energy, providing a clean and renewable power source for our Martian outposts. But solar power has its limitations. Martian dust storms can block sunlight for weeks, reducing solar panel efficiency. That's why we need a backup plan, and that's where nuclear power comes in. Small, modular nuclear reactors can provide a constant and reliable energy source, regardless of weather conditions. Feeding a Martian colony presents unique challenges. The Martian soil, while rich in some minerals, lacks the essential nutrients found in Earth's soil. Additionally, the thin atmosphere and lack of a global magnetic field expose the surface to higher levels of radiation, making traditional agriculture difficult. Instead, we'll rely on controlled environments like greenhouses to cultivate our crops. These greenhouses will be designed to mimic Earth-like conditions, with carefully regulated temperature, humidity, and light levels. To combat the lack of nutrients in the Martian soil, we can turn to hydroponics and aeroponics. These techniques involve growing plants in nutrient-rich water or air, respectively, eliminating the need for soil altogether. Imagine rows upon rows of leafy greens and vibrant vegetables thriving in a soil-free environment, bathed in the glow of LED grow lights. The thin Martian atmosphere, composed primarily of carbon dioxide, poses a significant challenge for human habitation. To survive and thrive on Mars, we need to create a breathable atmosphere, and that requires some innovative thinking. One promising approach is terraforming, the process of transforming a planet's environment to make it more Earth-like. This could involve releasing greenhouse gases into the Martian atmosphere to trap heat, melting the polar ice caps, and thickening the atmosphere over time. While terraforming is a long-term goal, we need solutions for the here and now. We can develop advanced life support systems that constantly filter and replenish the air within our habitats, removing carbon dioxide and generating breathable oxygen. These systems could utilize a process called electrolysis, which uses electricity to split water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. The oxygen is released into the habitat, while the hydrogen can be stored for fuel or other uses. Establishing a permanent human presence on Mars is about more than just building habitats and growing food. It's about creating a new society, one that reflects the best of humanity while embracing the unique challenges and opportunities of Martian life. This new society will be founded on principles of sustainability, cooperation, and scientific curiosity. We'll need to work together to overcome the challenges of living on a new planet, sharing resources and knowledge for the betterment of all. Imagine a society where education is paramount, where children learn about the cosmos, the history of Earth, and the challenges of colonizing Mars. This new generation of Martian pioneers will be equipped with the knowledge and skills to push the boundaries of human exploration even further. Mars is a scientific wonderland, a treasure trove of discoveries waiting to be unearthed. By establishing a permanent human presence on the red planet, we open up a new era of scientific exploration and discovery, with the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the universe. Geologists can study Martian rocks and landforms to piece together the planet's history, unraveling the mysteries of its past climate and searching for signs of ancient life. Imagine the thrill of discovering fossilized evidence of microbial life on Mars, proving that life exists beyond Earth. We can also use Mars as a testing ground for new technologies and innovations. The journey to Mars is a marathon, not a sprint. It will require sustained effort, unwavering commitment, and the collective ingenuity of humanity. But the rewards are immeasurable. By establishing a permanent human presence on Mars, we secure the future of our species and unlock a new era of scientific discovery and human progress. Imagine a future where Mars is no longer a distant red dot in the night sky, but a thriving hub of human activity. The challenges of colonizing Mars are daunting, but they are not insurmountable. The journey to Mars is the next giant leap for humanity, a testament to our ability to dream big and achieve the extraordinary. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, our planet is but a tiny speck of dust, orbiting an average star in an ordinary galaxy. Yet, on this tiny speck of dust, life arose, evolved, and eventually gave rise to a species capable of contemplating its own existence and dreaming of reaching for the stars. The colonization of Mars is not merely a scientific endeavor or a technological challenge, it's a profound statement about the human spirit. It's a testament to our innate desire to explore, to discover, and to push the boundaries of what's possible. By venturing beyond our home planet, we gain a new perspective on our place in the universe. We come to appreciate the fragility of our own planet and the importance of preserving it for future generations. So let us embrace the challenge of Mars, not with fear or trepidation, but with excitement and a sense of adventure. For in the words of the great Carl Sagan, somewhere, something incredible is waiting to be known, to